Kenya.
Standing to welcome our president.
Asante. Tuketi, nashukuru sana. The chairman of the Ploughing organization and all the officials, the most important people today who are the contestants. Wakenya wenzangu, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena. Asanteni sana. Mine is really just to say it's a great pleasure to join you this afternoon at this competition. We are happy to have you amongst us, and we're grateful that you've chosen Kenya to host this event this year. And we look forward to participating also in future. As all of you know, agriculture is the cornerstone of Kenya's economy. And this is an area that we want to pay a lot of attention, especially with regard to mechanization. Some of the plows I saw there, I've seen for the first time. So we need to also see vile tutasaidia wenzetu pia tuweze kupata equipment kama hii kwa wakulima wetu, na ndio tuweze kuzalisha chakula ya kutoshea Wakenya wote. Thank you for choosing Kenya. We look forward to having you again. And at the end of the competition, as the governor has said, please take some time out. Visit Kenya, see some of the beautiful sights that we have, see our wildlife, mix with our people, the best people in the world, and I'm sure after that experience, you'll be looking forward more and more to come back to Kenya. Once again, welcome to Kenya, welcome to Nakuru, and have a fantastic time. Thank you very much.